given to me today to welcome everyone seated here, and also to welcome our royal fathers in the house, our way and our KBC. I welcome you to this great event, sir. Also, let me use this opportunity to welcome our political leaders, starting with my predecessor in office, Honorable Sesi Samuel. You're welcome, sir. So I will use that to welcome, and also our Apex leaders in the house. Apex leader from Central to West and Olorunda. I welcome all of you, stay here, sir. And also let me welcome all the school management. I will use invited guests, the Commissioner of Education, ably represented by the Permanent Secretary and the Tutor General. I welcome you to this event today, sir. And also to the superb Chairman, the Education Secretary, and the entire pupils and students seated here, because this event is for you, and without you, we won't be here today. We